Hello, grade 6. This is Mrs. Height, and welcome to our third lesson in our theme park week. Let's begin. Today, our learning target is I can organize my thoughts in a graphic organizer to prepare for writing. I bet you might know what's coming next. All right, this week our theme has been theme park rides. I hope that you enjoyed some of our virtual rides through Canada's Wonderland. I've also really enjoyed hearing all of your Flipgrid responses about your favorite memory or your favorite theme park ride. Some of you enjoyed rides like Harry Potter's World or other sort of virtual reality rides at places like Universal Studios. Nico, I think you mentioned Universal Studios was one of your favorite parks. Others in our class were more daredevils and liked rides like the Drop of Doom or scary, fast, upside-down roller coasters. Others, like Mrs. Height, prefer a nice, relaxing Ferris wheel ride like this one here. I used to love tilt-a-whirls, but now they just make me dizzy. You have 3 jobs today. Task 1 is to watch this screencast. You're about halfway done. Task 2 is to complete a C's graphic organizer. We will start this together. Your third task is to complete your daily writing and upload a sample of your reading to Seesaw. All right, let's jump into task number 2, completing our C's graphic organizer. All right, you will need to download the graphic organizer from Power Learning. So you will go to the Power Learning website and you will see task 2. At the bottom of that description, you will see the link to upload a copy of the graphic organizer. You may print this graphic organizer if you have a printer at home and complete it with a pencil, or you can download it to your iPad and type your responses. All right, well, we have done a few C's paragraphs in class. I just want to take a few minutes to remind you what the C's acronym stands for. The first S is a statement. The first E is an explanation. The second E stands for example or evidence. And the final S stands for summary. If you look at the structure of our paragraph, you'll notice that there is one statement, and then we have repeated explanation and example 3 times before stating our summary sentence. All right, I'm going to start my C's graphic organizer for you to see, and then you can try this on your own. The statement has been started for you. So the sentence starter is, the best theme park ride is. I think the best theme park ride is a roller coaster. If you have downloaded a copy of the C's paragraph, feel free to type into the graphic organizer. But if you have printed it from home, just use a pencil to write right on the paper. Now remember, this is just a graphic organizer. You don't need to write in full sentences yet. My first explanation for why I think a roller coaster is the best theme park ride is because you experience a rush of emotions. Now, I'm going to choose a sentence starter for my first explanation sentence. Let's see. I could say, one reason a roller coaster is the best theme park ride is because you experience a rush of emotions. I like the way that sounds. I'm going to put a check mark here to indicate that I'm going to use the sentence starter, one reason. Next, you're going to think of an example or a piece of evidence for your first explanation. So, I might say, for example, when I'm riding a roller coaster, I experience emotions of suspense and exhilaration. Remember, in our C's paragraph, we are going to have 3 explanations, each with their own example or piece of evidence. So far I have 1 explanation. I'm going to show you 1 more, but remember, you're going to have 3 explanations. Another factor, or I kind of like the word reason better, another reason roller coasters are the best theme park ride is you can ride with a friend. So notice I don't need to write all the words on my graphic organizer, just enough to remind me when I go to write my paragraph tomorrow. What is an example of this? I might say, to illustrate this point, if you're feeling scared, you can ride with Mom or Dad. Lastly, we need a summary statement. Lastly, we're going to write a summary sentence. We're going to restate our answer to the question, but in a different way. There are 3 sentence starter ideas for you. I think I'm going to choose the second one. When all these points are considered, it is clear roller coasters, pardon me, OA are the best I'm running out of room, theme park ride. All right, when you have your statement, 3 explanations and examples, as well as a summary statement, you have completed your C's graphic organizer. We will be writing this paragraph tomorrow. Your 3rd job for literacy today is to read 20 to 30 minutes independently. Please make sure that you're recording 1 section or 1 page of your book and posting it to the daily Seesaw activity. Great job! You are done task 1 for literacy today.